Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is Newton's second law of motion. First of all, as you know that when we write a law, we have to write the statement of the law. So the statement of the law is when a net force acts on a body, it produces acceleration in the direction of net force. The magnitude of this acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on a body and inversely proportional to its mass. Right? It means that if a force acts on a body, it produces some acceleration in this body, right? In that, the acceleration produced in this body is in the direction of the force. So we can say that when we apply force, when we apply some force on a body, the acceleration produced in it, which is in the direction of applied force. The magnitude, second point is that the magnitude of this acceleration is directly proportional to the force. The magnitude of this acceleration is directly proportional to applied force. As this statement is also written in the statement of the law that the magnitude of this acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on the body. Right? It means that if we increase the acceleration, the force will also be increased, because these both quantities are directly proportional to each other. This is our equation number 1. Now, for example, if a child throws a stone of, for example, let's say 5 kg, m is equal to 5 kg, it covers some displacement, the stone will go with an acceleration of, for example, 2 meter per second square. If the same stone is thrown by a young man, obviously young man throw the same stone with much larger force. So in this case, the stone will travel some more displacement, and the acceleration of this body is larger than the previous case. For example, its acceleration is